Hello, everyone, and welcome to the podcast. If you're listening right now, take a moment, relax your shoulders, and breathe. I'm Emma.
And I'm Liam. We're really glad you're here with us today.
This podcast is for people who are learning English, thinking about learning English, or maybe struggling with English.
Especially beginners, and especially people who feel confused or overwhelmed.
Today's topic is very simple, but very important. How to learn English in 2026.
Not theory, not school-style English.
Real English, practical English.
And a clear plan that normal people can actually follow.
If English feels difficult or slow or frustrating, this episode is for you.
Emma, can I start with a question?
Of course.
Why do you think so many people fail at learning English?
Honestly, because they feel pressure.
Pressure from school?
From school, from society, from social media. People think they must speak perfectly.
And when they can't, they stop.
Exactly. They feel embarrassed.
But in 2026, English is not about perfection anymore.
That's such an important point. English in 2026 is very different from English in the past.
Before, English meant exams, grammar books, and classrooms.
But now,
English is communication.
people speak English with accents, with mistakes, with different styles.
And nobody cares, as long as the message is clear.
So, beginners need to understand this early.
Let's talk about mindset, because this is where everything starts.
Yes, before vocabulary, before grammar.
Many beginners say, "I'm afraid to speak."
Or, my English is bad.
But bad English is still English.
Silence teaches you nothing. Speaking teaches you everything.
Mistakes are not failure. They are feedback.
Let's give listeners something very clear, a daily study plan.
Yes, something realistic.
Not 5 hours a day,
30 to 60 minutes.
but done every day.
Listening, detailed.
Listening should take the biggest part.
At least 15 to 20 minutes.
Podcasts, slow English videos, simple conversations.
And here's something important. Don't stop the audio every 10 seconds,
Just listen.
even if you don't understand everything.
Now, vocabulary.
This is where people make big mistakes.
They try to learn hundreds of words, but they can't use them.
Instead, learn phrases.
For example, wake up early, go to work, feel tired.
These phrases become speaking blocks.
Let's talk about speaking slowly.
Yes, because this is where fear lives.
Many learners say, I don't have a partner.
But you don't need one.
Speak to yourself, in the mirror, while walking.
Repeat podcast sentences.
Record your voice. Your accent is okay. Your voice is okay.
Grammar should support speaking, not stop it.
One rule per day is enough.
For example, present tense.
I work. I study. I live here.
That's it.
Technology is a huge advantage today.
Your phone can be your teacher.
Change your phone language.
Follow English content.
Talk to AI.
Use English while living your life.
Once a week, do a review
Speak for 5 minutes without stopping.
about your week,
Your plans.
about your feelings.
This builds confidence.
Learning English is not fast.
But it works.
Progress is quiet.
But powerful.
6 months of daily effort can change your life,
If you're listening right now, don't quit.
even when it feels slow.
Especially then.
Thank you for listening.
Like, subscribe, and share.
And remember,
You can learn English in 2026.